Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to layer body cream with cologne properly, and this will be a tutorial. So let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. So if you essentially want to layer your body cream and your cologne, you can actually get some really positive and good effects from doing that, and I'll show you and tell you exactly how to do it in this specific piece of content. It's fairly easy to do for the most part, okay? And I'm not a professional by any means, so I'm just going to tell you what I know and what I understand about how to do it and why it works so well. So essentially what you want to do, and I'll demonstrate over here, is you want to get just a little bit of body cream. You're not getting a lot, and you can use whatever body cream you want. Some people use hand cream, some people use a lotion. Like I have this is what I use sometimes. Sometimes I have a specific hand cream that you know, basically my wife uses it, and I just end up using it too. She gets it primarily for herself, but I just use it when my hands are like dry and cracked because it's a really good hand cream. And then this is just something that I use every once in a while, and it's just my general cream. So sometimes I'll use it on my head, I'll use it on my hands, I'll use it on my elbows, anything that's with dry and cracked skin, anything that I want to moisturize, I'll use this. So you can use any cream that you want for the most part. So essentially, what you want to do is get the body cream of your choice, and actually I'll apply it on this hand over here. I'm just going to get just a little bit of it. So literally, that is way more than enough. I don't even need that much. That is way more than enough, right? This will end up, I was going to do one of my wrists. This will probably end up doing both of my wrists. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just kind of split it in half between both of my hands. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the body cream on an area that I will be applying cologne to. In this case, it's going to be my wrist, okay? And I don't have cologne, to be honest with you, in my van right now, so we're just going to imagine that I'm going to be applying the cologne. But essentially, I am rubbing it in the area, and on the area, I should say, rubbing it on the skin around the area thoroughly. Okay, which means I'm going to keep rubbing it until I get a little bit of a resistance, right? So right now it's still going super smoothly, feels very like just buttery, I guess is the word to use, where it's just super easy. Now I'm getting a little bit of resistance as I'm rubbing it. When I get that resistance, for me, that means that I know that I've rubbed it in probably well enough. So I'm going to give it a few more rubs to just really get it nicely on the skin, just like that. Okay, but when you get a good amount of resistance, at least for me, that's my cue to know that I've rubbed it decently well enough. Okay, after I've done that, I would probably generally wait for like a minute or two to let everything dry up. Okay, and this is good because let's say like you're applying it to multiple areas. You can apply it to the areas that you will be spraying with cologne first, and then the other areas next, right? And this way, when you're done the other areas, the first areas will probably be ready to go. So after I've waited about a minute or two, I would then get the cologne and I would spray it on top of the areas that I applied the body lotion to, or the body cream to, and allow that cream to dry. Okay, so essentially I would spray it on, let's say, my wrists, one spray on each. Okay, so the process is really simple, and then I'll go over some very quick tips at the end, so stay tuned. So the process is really simple. Essentially, what you want to do is get the body cream or body lotion of your choice, okay? Rub it on the areas that you will be applying cologne to, and make sure you rub it in well enough, okay? Once you get that resistance feeling, okay, that like where it's harder to rub, then at that point you know it's probably rubbed in well enough, and you can stop applying, you can stop rubbing it in and stop applying it. Give it about a minute or two to fully dry, and then apply the cologne. Then spray the cologne to those areas of your choice, okay? Now, what are the tips? The tips are very simple. Basically, like the primary tip is like you should be applying cologne to the pulse areas. So essentially where I like to apply cologne to is one spray on each of my wrists, okay? And then just maybe one or two sprays on my neck, right? Or you could do one spray on one wrist, rub your wrists together so that it applies to both, and then maybe one or two sprays on your neck, maybe one on either side. I would say, for me at least, I usually do a maximum of about 3 sprays, sometimes 4, but usually 3, right? You want to, I would say 3 to 4 sprays, in my opinion, is way more than enough. And I like to focus on my wrists and my neck area, because that's like the pulse area where you're going to get that cologne scent coming off of you. Okay. Now, the reason that's basically the main tip. And yeah, another tip is that less is more. Like, a lot of people spray a ton of cologne, and that's good for them. But like, for me, I think having like a 4 spray maximum rule, most of the time, depending on the cologne, is like way more than enough. So that's just my, my advice and my tips for doing it. Those are my tips for doing it. Now, the other thing is, why does this work? Well, I don't know, like I said, I'm not a professional, but to the best of my knowledge, the reason why this works is because the cologne acts as a, sorry, not the cologne, I do apologize. The body cream or the body lotion acts as a base, and then the cologne goes on top of that, which I believe makes it last longer. Like I said, I'm not a professional, but like you're basically priming, like you prime a wall with primer when it comes to paint. You're like priming or putting a base on your skin, and then the cologne is like the main thing after, right? So essentially the body cream or the body lotion will give you like a base or a primer, and then when you put the cologne on, it'll I think last longer. That's the best of my knowledge. And that's basically it. I've told you how to do it. I've shown you how to do it. Like I said, I didn't have cologne in the van, but you get the idea. I told you where I would have sprayed it and how many sprays I would have used, and so on and so forth. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. And yeah, I've got nothing else to say. So with nothing else to say, nothing else to show you, with nothing else completely, with absolutely nothing else, we are going to roll the outro. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.